In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and use the virtual assistant 5.pipedrive.com platform effectively. This guide is perfect for those who are new to Pipedrive and wish to automate their workflows to save time and streamline their processes. So let's get started on this journey to mastering automations on Pipedrive. First things first, we need to navigate to the Pipedrive homepage. To do this, open your preferred web browser and type in the Pipedrive website address. Once that's done, hit enter and you should find yourself on the homepage. You'll see various features and options that Pipedrive offers. Starting from here ensures we're on the same page and ready to dive into the exciting features of the platform. Now that we're on the home page, take a look to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll notice several icons there, but what we're interested in is the three dots, often referred to as the More menu. Go ahead and click on those three dots. This action will reveal additional options, offering a glimpse into more extensive capabilities of Pipedrive that are not immediately visible. After clicking the three dots, you're going to want to find and click on the option labeled Automations. The Automations feature is a powerful tool within Pipedrive that allows you to automate repetitive tasks, freeing up your time to focus on what truly requires your attention. It's a real game changer if you're aiming to enhance productivity and efficiency in your workflow. With Automations open, the next step is to locate and click on Lead. The Leads component is crucial as it aggregates information that guides your business processes. Clicking on Lead will set us up to explore templates that can be used to automate specific tasks related to lead management, such as follow-ups and notifications. Once you're under the Leads section, the next action is to click on a template. Templates in Pipedrive serve as pre-designed models that you can quickly adopt and adjust according to your needs. They simplify the setup process by providing a ready-to-use structure. Selecting a template will give you a template overview, providing further details about how it operates. Next up is the Use Template button. Clicking on this option allows you to start working with the template immediately, utilizing its design and structure in your current workflow. This step is essential because it takes the template from a concept to a usable format within your Pipedrive account. Finally, once you've explored and perhaps even tweaked the template to better fit your processes, it's time to save as draft. Saving as draft means you can revisit and revise the automation setup as you see fit before fully implementing it. It's a great way to ensure everything is just right without committing immediately. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully navigated through Virtual Assistant 5.pipedrive.com, explored automations, brought in a template, and saved it as a draft for future use. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide empowers you to make the most of Pipedrive's automation features in your daily operations.